of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen. I will go with Gallery. Now open your app. And when you're ready, click on this button with 3 lines at the bottom left corner to access background apps. Now with your chosen app opened in the background, click on the icon of it available at the top, over here. Select Open in Split Screen View in the pop-up and tap on the second app. I will go with Chrome browser. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to, you can click on those 3 dots in the middle of your apps and use this icon with 2 arrows to switch places of them. You can also click on the same 3 dots and then use this icon of a star. Now you can save this combination of your apps in split screen view on your home screen or Edge panel. I will go with home screen. So now when I go back, close my apps and click on this icon over here, I can always use my apps in this combination. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. You can also swipe both in the background. If you wish to see more of one of your apps, you can use the same 3 dots and resize one of your apps. Like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!